Did you know that some sea animals can actually light up in the dark ocean? Hello, everyone! My name is Sarah, and welcome to my channel. Today, we are going to look at 100 incredible ocean animals and discover amazing facts about them. Let's dive in! Marine mammals. Marine mammals. Wow! Did you know that marine mammals breathe air through their lungs and must come to the surface to breathe? Let's learn the names of some marine mammals. Whale, whale, dolphin, dolphin, porpoise, porpoise, seal, seal, sea lion, sea lion, walrus, walrus, sea otter, sea otter, manatee, manatee, dugong, dugong, polar bear, polar bear. Seabirds, seabirds. Amazing! Seabirds are birds that live near the ocean and catch most of their food from the sea. Here are some seabirds. Seagull, seagull. Penguin, penguin. Albatross, albatross. Puffin, puffin. Pelican, pelican. Cormorant, cormorant. Tern, tern. Gannet, gannet. Frigate bird, frigate bird. Shearwater, shearwater. Let's practice. What is this? Seal, dolphin, frigate bird. Very good! Marine reptiles and amphibians. Marine reptiles and amphibians. Did you know that most reptiles can live in the ocean, but amphibians usually live in freshwater or on land? Marine reptiles. Sea turtle, sea turtle. Sea snake, sea snake. Marine iguana, marine iguana. Saltwater crocodile, saltwater crocodile. Amphibians. Frog, frog. Toad, toad. Salamander, salamander. Newt, newt. Fish and marine invertebrates. Fish and marine invertebrates. Cool! Marine invertebrates are ocean animals that do not have a backbone. Here are some fish. Shark, shark. Clownfish, clownfish. Tuna, tuna. Salmon, salmon. Seahorse, seahorse. Stingray, stingray. And here are some marine invertebrates. Octopus, octopus. Jellyfish, jellyfish. Starfish, sea star, starfish, sea star. Crab, crab. Lobster, lobster. Shrimp, shrimp. Squid, squid. Sea urchin, sea urchin. Amazing! Now you know 100 sea animal names. If you want to learn the names of even more animals, click on the next video here. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more fun animal videos.